Chair. Honorable Chair, it's not that we are greedy for power, but our hearts are bleeding. It's only in Nyamira that a consignment of empty breweries can be flagged as in the name of drugs. It's only in Nyamira that the governor can pay himself 5.6 million.
Honorable Chair.
Mr. Governor.
Honorable Chair.
Mr. Chair, I'm saying on behalf of the people of Nyamira,
Honorable Chair, it's
Governor is not here. You cannot discuss.
The major problem we have, Honorable Chair, the major problem we have, Honorable Chair, is the set. It's the problem of Nyamira. Honorable Chair, give me an opportunity to speak.
Honorable Chair, I withdraw and apologize, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I want to appreciate the committee for giving us an opportunity, and also thank my honorable members that we have been bestowed with a great responsibility to serve the people of Nyamira. We have an opportunity to come back, work together. My hands are open to welcome my friends. We work together, we push Nyamira forward. We have a timeline. 5 years is not a long time. Next year we are engaging campaigns. We have an opportunity to come together and do service delivery. I want to appreciate the opportunity and also welcome my senator, my learned counsel who I love so much, that if we resort and go back home, we can be able to solve this issue without coming to the Senate. So my senator, I welcome you.
Chair.
You have enough wisdom. We can be able to move forward. Thank you very much.
It's the problem. Okay. It's the order, man. You guys. Okay, we are concluding, gentlemen. My friend, Mashuma, what's your name?
I'm George Marabuga.
You are what? MCA?
I'm the leader of majority on our chair.
I'm also the leader of majority. I only want to give you 1 minute if you will consent. And also you give me chair. The deputy speaker. The deputy speaker is here on the chair. That you are reconciling. I don't
on
the chair. The deputy speaker is here.
Thank you, Chair.
No, I need an opportunity also.
No, that's going to be too much. Thank you, Chair.
I've closed the matter. Hold on.
I'm not. Chair, I want to cancel it. I'm also the leader of majority. You cannot be biased by giving just a chance to talk and speak.
I am concluding the matter. Order. Switch off your mic. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, sorry for all that we have taken too long. We are going to the chamber, and I want to tell people from Nyamira, honorable members, I think we are all here as leaders. You have been elected by people of Nyamira, and the entire Kenya is today looking at you. It's a very unfortunate situation. What I saw in that TV was so horrible. Because you're all friends, brothers and sisters. You're not enemies. So I want to go back to Nyamira and reconcile and serve the people of Nyamira so that they can be able to achieve the remaining few years, they can live in harmony. Finally, we have had you. We have got all your documents. We will peruse through. We will take the legal connotations of everything that our legal team will work on it, and we'll give you feedback. But then this committee will take all the responsibility, and we will come there to sit with you, to sit with the governor, to sit with the public, so that at least we can all agree on the way. With those few remarks, I want to say thank you very much, and the meeting is adjourned. Thank you so much.